When God breaks the plan. There are moments in life when everything you built begins to fall apart. The plan you trusted, the dream you worked for, the path you thought was certain, suddenly crumbles beneath your feet. And all you can do is ask, God, why? You thought He would bless that job. You thought He would save that relationship. You thought the door you prayed for would open. But instead, it slammed shut. And you're left standing there, holding pieces of something you thought would last. But listen, sometimes, God breaks your plan because it was too small for the purpose He placed inside you. Sometimes, He lets what you built fall apart, so that He can rebuild it His way. Because what He's preparing isn't temporary, it's eternal. Abraham had to leave his home before he saw the promise. Moses had to face the wilderness before he led his people to freedom. And Peter had to sink before he learned how to walk by faith. So if your plan just shattered, don't rush to fix it. Let God rearrange it. Let Him rewrite the path. Because His detours always lead to destiny. The pain you feel now is not punishment. It's preparation. He's teaching you to depend on Him. To trust Him when you can't trace Him. To believe that losing control doesn't mean losing hope. When God breaks the plan, it's not the end of your story. It's the beginning of His version. And one day, when you look back, you'll thank Him for every door that closed, every dream that died, every road that forced you to start again. Because what He rebuilds will never fall apart. It will stand, firm, unshaken, and beautifully aligned with His will. So breathe, let go, and let God be God. Because the plan you lost was never greater than the purpose He's still bringing to life.